Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
After speaking to the Portuguese government officials in Lisbon, they said that my birth was registered, but they couldn't tell me who had registered my birth. Now the only possibility is that before their death, my parents had registered my birth there. So now to resolve this issue once and for all and lay this issue to rest, I decided to go to Lisbon. And when the Portuguese authorities told me that I am entitled to a Portuguese passport, I thought over it for a day and then I decided to opt for the Portuguese passport and surrender my Indian passport in accordance with law. So accordingly, I acquired the Portuguese passport last month when I went to Lisbon, and on my return, I immediately surrendered my Indian passport and I surrendered my election card too as required by law. On acquiring the Portuguese passport, was that I wouldn't be entitled to be a voter in Goa, and of course I wouldn't be entitled to contest the election. And the other issue is that I wouldn't be able to acquire any agricultural land. So all these three issues in the current scenario are inconsequential. So I decided to acquire a Portuguese passport and surrender my Indian passport, which I have done.